Welcome back, beautiful people. Today we will be making chilaquiles, and if you want to know the recipe, then you're in the correct zone. Okay, so right here I am going to cut the tortillas into thin slices, okay? Crema Oaxaca. We will be using crema oaxaqueña, and we will be using queso fresco, okay? You can also use queso cremoso, okay? But our chilaquiles are going to be very creamy and very delicious, okay? So we will be using 1 onion, we will be using tomatillo, we will be using garlic, and we will be using tomatillo. I will be using 1 chile jalapeño and 1 habanero. We will be using 4 ounces of cream cheese. We will be using salt and pepper, and we will be using cilantro. We will be frying our tortilla in oil, obviously, okay? And this could be any decision you choose, okay? So don't worry about what oil you choose. I particularly will be using my type of oil, which will be olive oil, but if you want to choose any other oil, it's okay. We will be using avocado and tomato. The downside of the chilaquiles is that you have to eat them the most right after you finish cooking them, okay? You can't wait 1 hour later to eat your chilaquiles once you have already put the sauce, okay? Okay, so chilaquiles can be eaten for breakfast, but if you decide to eat them with breakfast, then you will put an egg on the side, okay? Now, if you decide to eat your chilaquiles for dinner, then you will either eat your chilaquiles with chicken or with steak, okay? Preferably shredded steak. But in my case, I will be using ribeye steak. In my case, I will be eating a ribeye steak as a side dish for my chilaquiles, okay? So I will be cooking my ribeye with grapeseed oil, okay? Now we will be using 1 pound of crema oaxaqueña. And we will be adding a dash of cilantro. We will be adding kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And we will be adding 1 teaspoon of pepper. And we will be adding 4 ounces of cream cheese. Okay, now we're going to blend. Okay. Now we will be frying our tortilla slices. If you like the recipes that I provide, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell